Hey, come on.
Hey, y'all motherfucker.
No. If you start on it, I'm gonna tie your feet. You better knock it off.
You, I hate y'all motherfucker. You.
A patrol unit pulls over a car that had just run 4 red lights in a row. The detective quickly discovers that the driver doesn't have a license and has multiple active warrants for her arrest. Convinced she is safe inside her vehicle, the suspect refuses to step out, and the situation instantly devolves into total chaos.
Your big ass. Your wife know you doing girls, females like this? Big ass motherfucker. Too big to be doing all that.
Screaming insults at police officers to mask her panic, what you just heard isn't just a simple outburst, but the desperate tactic of a driver who knows she has everything to lose. Running a single red light, that was the initial reason for the stop. But when the officer discovers that Tiana doesn't have a driver's license and is wanted on several active warrants, the atmosphere shifts in a matter of seconds.
Keep the windows rolled down for me, please. Howdy, y'all. My name's Detective Roland, Tallahassee Police Department. The reason I pulled you over today is you have to stop when a light is out. At every light, I watched you blow through like 4 or 5 before I got behind you, okay? I'm not writing you a ticket today, but I can please see your license, registration, and proof of insurance. Do you have the driver's license number? Okay. What is your last name? Do you have any kind of photo ID on you? Okay. Is that your mom?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We're going to have to wait just 1 minute before I can talk to mom, okay? Give me 1 minute, okay? Do you have David pulled up? Yes, sir. Can you pull it up so I can get her DL? Do you have a first name? Yeah. Tatyona. Tatiana? Yeah. 99 times 3. Oh, fantastic. Do me a favor. I need you to step out of the car and talk to me back here because you don't have your license, okay? Just take a second.
What we need to talk about, sir?
All right, look, here's the deal. I don't want to do this in front of the kids. You've got warrants out for your arrest. You want to go into jail today.
Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. All right?
Calm down.
I'm going to comply, but don't. All right, cool. That's cool now.
We'll give you a chance, Tatiana. Come on.
All right.
Okay, they said she got a warrant for arrest, and
Tatiana, step out of the car.
what she want to know what's the warrant for.
That's fine. I'll explain to that in just a moment, but you got to get out of the car.
But you're not finna put me in no cup.
Tatiana, but you do have to get out. Tatiana, you need to step out, or you're going to catch another charge, okay? But she's got to come out of the car first. I don't want to have this discussion. Yep, I do. I can absolutely do that, but you're going to be detained first. She's got warrants. Yep.
By clinging to her steering wheel and refusing to step out, Tiana believes she is untouchable. Yet, under established case law, the rule is crystal clear. A police officer conducting a traffic stop has the absolute legal authority to order any occupant out of the vehicle. The driver has no legal right to negotiate, set conditions, or refuse to comply.
Come on up.
Bro, don't touch, bro. Come on, chill out, bro. All right, okay.
Just guys, give it a second. We're fighting. Hey, come on. Come on.
Bro, come on. I'm not doing nothing, bro. Come on.
Let me see your hands. Put your hands over.
Hey, they got out the car.
Y'all got me so
Hands up. I gave you the opportunity. You didn't want to come out.
Y'all got me so right now. On my grandma, y'all got me so right now. Cause
I told you I did not want to do that in front of the kids.
got your bitch ass.
Okay. All right. Go ahead and roll towards me.
All 3 of y'all big ass
10, 15.
motherfuckers. Y'all some big ass motherfuckers. What y'all pulling me out the car like that for?
All right, go ahead and stand up.
Y'all big as it only took one.
Come on over here. Come back to the back of this car. Come on now. I didn't want to do that in front of all the kids.
Okay, with your big ass. It only took one. Well, why took 3?
We gave you the opportunity to step out and you didn't want to come out.
And you ain't want to talk either. You gonna tell me why you trying to detain me?
I told you, you have warrants out for your arrest.
I shouldn't.
Now that you're in cuffs, I can tell you have warrants out for possession of marijuana, disorderly conduct.
I don't. All that was dissolved. All that was good. And I ain't smoking mud. What you talking about? You lying. You lying.
Okay. Yeah. Howdy, y'all. Okay, now I will be willing to talk to you. It's okay.
Nah, cause I don't really know. I don't want to talk, fam. He just looked like he was gonna shoot me. You feel what I'm saying?
Now, because
I don't want to hear that. I
fight
don't
up
want to hear
here.
that, bro. That's my sister, bro. That's
Okay.
female. I don't care, bro.
Well, I gave her the opportunity to step out.
Everybody raised different, bro. Everybody raised different. Y'all
And I
cowards,
gave her
bro.
the
You
opportunity.
cowards,
I
bro.
gave her
don't
the
care.
opportunity to
Bro,
not
I'm
do
not
this in front of
talking,
kids.
bro. I'm not talking
Okay,
to
you're
you.
free to go. Have a good one. Anything else on you?
Yo, stop
Okay.
talking to me.
Go ahead and put it in the car.
What you talking about? Stop talking to me.
All units stand by for general announcement. All units be advised southeast and southwest will be passing for the remainder. Southeast and southwest will be passing for the remainder.
Can you stay with these two bills real quick? Yeah. Those came out of her pocket.
Your big ass. Your wife know you doing girls, females like this? Big ass mother.
While freedom of speech protects citizens, meaning that cursing at a cop is not, by itself, a crime that protection stops dead the moment words turn into threats or disturb the peace. More importantly, hurling insults at the exact moment you are physically resisting instantly destroys any defense in front of a judge.
Too big to be doing all that.
786, 36, repeating 786.
You got hit on the face.
36.
Did I really? Where? Oh, no, that was cut from earlier. Oh, that was fun. Yeah, I've been taking...
Hate y'all, mother.
No.
If you start on it, I'm gonna tie your feet. You better knock it off.
You. I hate y'all, mother. You.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's ibuprofen 800 and 200 right there. Okay. Oh wait, hold on. This one might be Oxy.
What's that?
This one might be Oxy because look, it's IP 204. Yeah, it's showing it.
Is it Oxy?
Yeah.
Okay, it came right out of her right pocket.
I see all y'all in court. I need all y'all names. My mama don't get up there. Make sure I get your name. I want your name and the mother fat ass bitches. I want all their names.
Tiana was booked into the county detention center. In addition to the execution of her existing arrest warrants for marijuana possession and disorderly conduct, she faces new criminal charges for possession of a controlled substance without a prescription, specifically oxycodone, and resisting an officer without violence. An officer's initial courtesy during a traffic stop isn't a negotiation, it's an opportunity. Trying to wage a power struggle from inside your car or refusing to step out will never prevent an arrest. Don't forget to check out our other analysis videos and subscribe to the channel.